Let's understand what is Django. Django is an open source and a most popular Python framework that is used to develop a fast, scalable and secure web applications. Django is not a programming language, it's a framework written in Python programming language. Now, what is framework? Well, the framework is a collection of software modules and tools which we use for building the software applications. These frameworks could also be reused in the development of various applications as well. And yes, the framework will also help the developers to avoid repetitive scripts and errors, which makes it easier for us to build a complex software applications. Now, let's see why should we use a framework than a typical manual coding. Let's say you want to build a registration and login functionality. There are many ways to build registration and login functionalities. For instance, let's consider we don't want to use the framework. Instead, we want to go the traditional way. Then we probably have to write code for each and every part of the functionality. Maybe we'll have to do input validations, or we might also have to write a long SQL query to store the data, authenticate the user, provide the proper permission to that particular user, and many other things. Everything will be done manually without the framework, which is really a lot of headache and time consuming. After you have done these many things manually, you still get bugs, you still encounter security issues, perhaps it's not scalable. Now, the same functionality, if you build using the framework, then we don't have to worry about a lot of manual stuff. Frameworks, in fact, Django framework comes with many inbuilt features. For the registration and login functionalities, we don't need to manually write the code for each and every simple actions. In Django, we have something called ORM, Object Relational Mapping, which handles almost all types of database queries. We don't need to write the SQL query manually. Similarly, we have authentication backend that automatically registers the user, does all the necessary validations, and the passwords will also be stored in an encrypted format. Django uses PBKDF2 algorithm with SHA-256 hashing technique, which is very secure and is also recommended hashing technique by NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology USA. Most importantly, Django comes with the default admin panel where you can do almost all types of CRUD operations without even writing a single piece of code. That's unbelievable, right? That's the reason why Django applications are highly secured and highly scalable. When I said scalable, it just means that if you want to extend the functionality in the future, you can easily do that with the Django framework. That's why most software development companies use Django framework for their enterprise level applications.